Hey guys, this is going to be a video about this unique multi-tool, the SOG Q4. As y'all see, it's long multi-tool. It goes in your pocket, has this clip that clips on. This is not sponsored. This is something I bought years ago because I thought it looked cool. And it also has all these bits here, different screwdriver bits basically, and maybe even some security bits that fit on this end here. Alright, so first thing, you pull it like that, and you have your pliers. Alright, let's see. This side is just, the black side is just the screwdriver side. It's got a bit in there. These, sometimes if you have one in there like this one, if you push it on one side like that, it pops out, and then the whole thing pops out. And then you can choose which side you want to use, like that. I believe it is magnetic in there, but it fits pretty well. Hold that up there. That's just a Phillips. But again, I could pick so different size Phillips and different size flatheads for sure that came with it. And maybe other standard size bits will fit in here. I haven't tried. I'll just keep this one. Let's set that aside. Let's look at the silver side. It's the side that's got all the knobs and other stuff here. And this used to be my everyday carry. I probably would make it my everyday carry again. I just don't normally carry something every day. Alright, so it's like a can opener here. Yeah, I'm gonna call that a can opener. Let's see if I get it in camera. That's one. And this looks like a different type of can opener, or I guess you could use it for whatever. This is a file, but also has this end for maybe drilling small holes or wedging holes. But it's definitely got a rough file on it on both sides. And then your these do lock, like it's locked. Knife, actual cutting blade. It's sharp. I really have not used that this much. And then this little deal here. And forget what this is for. And you can get it up. Maybe it's part of the locking mechanism. There's a little silver bar right there. I think it's part of the locking mechanism. And then this switch makes sure, whoa, my table just moved. This switch makes your bit go clockwise or counterclockwise. And I guess it locks too. There's some sort of little silver bit right there too. And then you could store one bit right here. And it does fit in my pocket pretty good. And I need to carry it more because it seems like every time somebody asks for a knife, I'm like, oh, I don't have one. But, you know, I have another knife I'm going to do another video that's just a knife. It weighs a little less than this, and I'd didn't bring my scale out here, so I can't give y'all a weight on video. I don't even know if they sell this Q4 anymore, or if they've upgraded and have a new model. But again, this is the SOG Q4. It's definitely unique as far as multi-tools go. I feel like it maybe doesn't have enough tools, and the main advantage is that it has all the bits. So if you work with different Phillips and flathead a lot, that would be the advantage. Because otherwise you're limited to on your actual multi-tools here. You only have the 4 plus the pliers, so I guess 5 if you don't count the bits. But it's definitely unique, and I like it. Yeah. And this case is magnetic. And let's see. Yeah, it's got a bunch of different bits in here. It's like mostly flatheads, but I see a bunch of different size Phillips. This case is a little worn. I think there was a mouse or a rat that chewed on it. This has just been in the same drawer forever. And this slides in here like that. And I think this knife can go in this pouch, if I remember right. It's called a knife multi-tool. If it still fits in there. Yep, so it does. Does that make it harder to close or not do it right? So now it's not closing quite right. So I might have done that wrong. But I don't keep it in there. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching this video. A little quick video about showing off one of my tools that I have. I know I am getting a lot more viewers on my channel. I appreciate that. So if you guys can go and subscribe, and that's the little button that you click. Y'all know how to subscribe down there. All these new viewers, I'd like to up my little subscription numbers a little bit, and I appreciate it, and look for more future videos about gear and knives. Gonna do my regular pocket knife next, and got some other gear we're gonna be looking at, so y'all stay tuned, and thank you.